Welcome to the fascinating world of Pali, the ancient language of the Theravada Buddhist scriptures. Pali is not just a means of communication, it's a gateway to understanding the rich cultural and philosophical heritage of Buddhism. By learning Pali, you'll unlock the teachings of the Buddha, exploring concepts like mindfulness, compassion, and the path to enlightenment in their original context. Imagine reading the Dhammapada or the Sutta Pitaka in the language they were first spoken. Each word carries centuries of wisdom, offering insights into the human experience. Join me as we delve into the grammar, vocabulary, and unique expressions that make Pali a treasure trove for cultural enthusiasts. Together, we'll connect with a tradition that has shaped millions of lives across the globe.